I signed up for the spot today. I'm on that.
Send it. You're just casually peeing.
Hey, yo, Maddox. I don't like poison ivy, so I peed on it.
Wow. Hey, you guys might want to move. Mommy's sending it.
I better get out splash zone.
You're still recording, right?
Daddy, she's sending it.
Maddox, you know what I think is gonna happen? The ruts are made for a side by side, so she's probably gonna bottom out and tip.
Alright, I'm
She might, honestly.
Like, I think that's what's gonna happen.
Unless she just is able to somehow get gripping.
I know.
That's
This is
real.
about to be funny.
Watch out.
Yo, your quad's about to be muddy.
Oh, yeah. Sender!
Sander! Get it!
Yeah.
You need more speed!
Sender!
Yeah!
What?
get all the straps.
Get them all ready.
We got the perfect angle.
Just right between them. Right between the high spot. It's really deep on
Yeah!
Sender! She can't do it.
I know, but...
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Turn it up! Don't let that airbox. Bro, what if that airbox is full of water? The sucker's done.
No.
Yeah, if it gets in
Just
there.
gotta dry it out. We're good.
Reverse.
You're not reversing out of that.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
What?
It's gonna get under.
Right here in the center.
No, it ain't. Good, Maddox.
Here.
Those things can float for a little bit. It's fine.
Seems legit.
There's a winch down there if you can catch the hook on it.
Yeah, it's good. Maddox, I've had my quad submerged like that.
Well,
And
yeah.
it was fine. Like, I've had my quad fully underwater.
Which one?
Blue.
Oh, well.
And that thing's rear-wheel drive, and I still made it. That thing is fine.
A little bit cold there, right?
We're going to the
Look
creek
how
after
deep
this.
it is, though.
I told you should have just set it forward.
Maddox, put down the phone here. Also,
No.
This one.
No, it's my dad's phone.
I'll hold it.
No.
Hold it.
No.
Was that fun?
This is great. Delete this video.
Delete this video. Mommy, you should have just went right straight through it.
I was gonna go right up the hill, but I hit it.
No crap.
No, I hit the pivot.
Yeah. Well, only one thing left to do. Send it again.
I don't know if we're sending this one.
You did.
And yes. And yes. Only one thing left to do. Hey. There's only one thing left to do.
This is the most. Right up here, though. Good.
Okay.
You just shut no door.
Yeah, just go swimming.
Yeah, look, covered. That was me, but 5 times worse after the my first time riding out on the trails. I'm not joking. That was
Yeah.
me, but 5 times worse.
That's us.
Like, the only thing that wasn't wet was my head, which was in a helmet.
You know something? They didn't even get to the deep part yet.
I know, right? Yeah, it's gonna get. Oh, yeah, it's going.
That's not good.
Hold on. Hold on.
It's flipping.
How about you to pull you backwards?
Yeah, you might want to reverse it.
Hey, hold on.
You gotta get that back tire down.
You just keep pulling it straight down.
All right, maybe now.
Ryan,
Tire. Oh my God, that is a big divot. I can't even feel it. What's wrong with me?
It just keeps going.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I got you.
You got that, right?
My dad just got sprayed. My dad
Is this real?
my dad just got sprayed. My dad.
Oh, there's a big divot here, too. You do that. I'll put it up there. We got all that underneath. Don't worry.
This is going on YouTube for sure. Yeah, we'll just edit this. Well, I'll just edit this part out real quick. Dane, I said I'll just edit this part out real quick.
Yeah, no. This is getting busted.
Like I'm on the rock right now. Like my boot is up. Look at it. Oh, right here's the high spot. I need to go in the fridge.
I told you.